What's the meaning of booze cruise? Booze cruise. Booze cruise.
Booze cruise. Booze cruise. The term booze cruise is often used to describe a recreational activity that involves drinking alcohol while on a watercraft, such as a boat or a yacht. This activity is typically associated with leisurely, carefree, and sometimes reckless behavior. While some may enjoy this type of excursion, it can also lead to potentially dangerous situations if participants consume too much alcohol or engage in risky behavior such as operating a watercraft while under the influence. Therefore, it is important to approach the activity with caution and prioritize safety above all else.